This is a walkthrough of the link. So first you're going to put your email in and password, log in, and you'll see either existing projects or you can create a new project. Very simple. Project name, project number, start date if you want. You don't have to. We have project type. There's a drop-down list here. Let's just pick airports just to be easy. You can add employees from a drop-down of existing employees. We provide the ability to add a new employee a few different ways. So then once you've created your list, you're then going to go and upload specifications. So you go in here and find specs wherever they might be. Grab as many as you want. Often it's one or two files. This project happens to have a bunch of them. You're going to click on open, and then you're going to click through, and it's going to give you a submittal log. Now that you've got the submittal log, it typically takes about between 5 and 10 minutes, depending on the files and some other things. Once you've got it, there's a bunch of things you can do. So you're able to actually look at the underlying spec, and this is where you can see that this kind of lime green area is what this item refers to. You can very quickly review the spec itself. Just go item by item and very quickly make sure that it's captured everything that you want it to capture. When you're done, you can go here and close that. That allows you to very quickly review your project. So between the fact that it takes 5 to 10 minutes to create it, then maybe another 40 minutes to go through a project, you can have a perfect submittal log in an hour or less. Now, the other thing to note is if there happens to be something that you want to add to a submittal item, you can click append to the selected row, so it'll add it to that row, or you can click add new row, and it'll add a whole new row with whatever that content is. The other points here is if you need to, you can make your own selections. Maybe you want to go and select for concrete in this example. So maybe you just want to go and grab everything that's in concrete and then export that as its own list. Very easy to do. So you might click here, save selection, call it concrete. And now you're able to go in, find that again and export it on its own, or just go open it again and it'll have the same filters. So that allows you over time to do a bunch of interesting things, kind of really get to know the project, do different things, carve things out if you're worried about one scope or another. Final point here is you're able to export in Excel, Procore, and then we have a number of others that are coming pretty quickly. You're also able to change the Excel export if you want. Right now, we've got a bunch of information. Not everybody wants all that in their final submittal log. So you're able to get rid of, if you want, the description or the submittal number. You also, though, can add columns if that's going to make your life easier. These are some common columns that people use. Obviously, we're not putting content in there, but it's just one more step and one more way we want to make your lives easier and get you on to the next step in building your project. Thank you.